Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat. Thanks for checking out this video. In this video, we're going to talk about Pancakeswap, and I want to go through a tutorial on how to earn some free crypto, get some passive income happening. So if you want to find out about that, stick around. Intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. If you're a new visitor, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, because I am doing giveaways this month and I want to do it randomly. So if you subscribe and hit the bell notification, you won't miss my videos and you can get in on them. And speaking of giveaways, I did a Litecoin giveaway yesterday, which is for 10 USD. So I'm going to announce the winner. So basically they just had to watch the video, get the code word, comment below with the code word, and then give me their Litecoin address, and they're pretty much good to go. So I've got that video there. So thanks everyone for participating. So I'm going to start now. Now if I don't get a person that leaves their address, I'll just go to the next comment. Henry Thompson, congratulations Henry, you did get the code word right, and you did put your Litecoin address. So immediately after I finish shooting this video, I'll send you the Litecoin and I'll pop that transaction hash in the comment. Thanks for participating everyone. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. And what kind of spurred me on is this. Okay, so I saw this post on Twitter by this Irish girl crypto, and I was just like, looked at it, I'm like, this is ridiculous. Okay, she sent what, 38 sell to convert it from Ethereum to sell, and she got charged $51.92, and she lost what did she say, she lost $30 on Uniswap because the transaction failed. This is my pet hate with Ethereum, alright? This is my pet hate with Ethereum. It's just a network in regards to what it's supposed to do, okay? It is simply not working when you've got to pay network fees of $51 per transaction. Anyway, okay, put that aside. Let's move on to Pancakeswap. So Pancakeswap is on the Binance Smart Chain, and it's basically, if you just think of Ethereum with staking and farming, providing liquidity, earning that good old free crypto, then this is basically the Binance Smart Chain version. So when you come to this website, it's the same deal, right? You can just log in with your MetaMask. Same deal, right? MetaMask. You can use the Binance Smart Chain wallet if you want, but in this case, I'm going to do MetaMask because everyone knows MetaMask. So I'll do MetaMask, and now I connect up. Okay. Now you need to add your Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask, and then basically you do that is you just come up the top here and click on networks, and then go to Binance Smart Chain. If you haven't got it already, just go to custom URL and put all the information in here. I'll have the @ information below, so you can just put in the corresponding and then add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet if you haven't already. Okay, so then once you got your Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask, then all you simply do is, just like MetaMask, you come up here, you click on this wallet, because there's only one wallet address, remember, and then you send your BNB, and in this case we're going to do cake. All right, so BNB is your gas fee, just like Ethereum is your gas, and then you got your token, which is cake, which is the one that I'm going to use to stake. All right, so remember, always have BNB in your wallet because you need gas. Fortunately, with Binance Smart Chain, you're not going to be paying $50 transaction fees. You're going to be paying more like 4 to 8 cents. Okay, so let's now that I've got this, I'm at Pancakeswap, I'm going to stake it, okay? However, when you look down here and you scroll down, you go, earn up to 371% APR in farms, right? And you click on it, and then it's got here where you've got to provide liquidity. All right. Now, I'm not going to do this because it's highly risky. And even though these APR numbers look really, really attractive, okay, don't fall for it. All right. Just don't fall for it. Just know that when you pair up your coins, all right, just like you would do in Uniswap, if there's fluctuations in that price, you are going to lose. It's just not worth, in my opinion, worrying about it. Or basically, if you provide liquidity, you're going to sleep with one eye open. Because if there's a massive fluctuation like we saw with TrustSwap, you can lose a hell of a lot of money if you provide liquidity in the TrustSwap pair. So when you provide liquidity, if you've got Cake and BNB paired together and you're staking that LP token, if Cake moves up away from BNB, the price is not the same, and it moves up, you're going to lose money. Same with if BNB moves down, okay, away from Cake, you're going to lose money. If Cake moves up, BNB moves down, you're going to lose money. All right. So that is why I'm not going to provide liquidity, right? Instead, I'm just going to stake it. So if we come here, all you need to do on the left-hand side, just go to pools, okay, pools, and this is the syrup pool, and you know it's 143% on Cake. That's good enough, and also we've got 98% on Elgron. So you could also stake Elgron if you want. However, this one in this tutorial, I'm going to do Cake. So is Cake a token worth risking? Because obviously, if the price goes down a lot, you can lose money, right? So let's just go and have a look at CoinGecko and have a look at Cake. So Cake is basically Pancakeswap, all right? It's the token for Pancakeswap. And if we look here, there's 267 million market cap, circulating supply of 106 million. So it's got a fair bit of volume there. It shouldn't move that much. If we go here and have a look at the stats, there's 35 million in total liquidity, and these are the pairs that are providing liquidity for that. Cake BUSD, 665,000. Even Cake WBNDB is basically 67 million. Wow. Okay. So there's quite a bit of volume here. There's massive volume here, in fact. All right. So, and as you can see here, it's a good steady increase here with the Pancakeswap. It's $2.66. So, in other words, if I wanted to get out of this Pancakeswap or Cake token, I could, because there's massive liquidity here. I could just flip into BNB and the transaction time would only be about 3 or 4 seconds, and then boom, I'll be out of this Cakeswap Cake token if there was a problem. But obviously there's massive liquidity there, so I'm not going to have to worry about that. So it's fairly safe. That's one of the issues when you get into a new token. This is not new, but any type of new token is liquidity. If the liquidity is gone, kiss your token goodbye, it's worthless. We're not going to have to worry about that, so I can get out and into BNB anytime. So now here, all I want to do is just go click Approve Cake, all right, because it's got to interact with the contract. And when it comes here and it says Ethereum, don't worry, it's not Ethereum, okay? It's BNB. It's 7 cents, okay? So don't stress over that. Just ignore that. Click Confirm, and this should take a couple of seconds, and we can move on to the next step. Okay, so now what you do is you just come along and click this plus button, and then you just, the variable is 17.962 for this demonstration, so I'm going to put max, and I'll click Confirm. Now keep in mind as well, you've got to have your BNB there, okay? If you don't have your BNB, you're not going to be able to do these transactions. Let's go and have a look at the gas. It's Sweet FA, so I'll confirm that. Can you see how fast that was? Now, what I'm doing now is I'm basically earning it now. I'm basically earning, this is the amount of cake there. So what will happen is it'll just, you know, accumulate at 142% per annum. Okay, so I've done a quick calculation here. Price of $2.49 and the APR of 142.91% per year. To make $50 a day, I took $50 and I multiplied that by 365 to get 1 year's worth. So basically, that's $18,250 I would earn in a year at $50 a day. So then I took that 18,250, I multiplied by 100, and then I divided by 142.91%, which is a percentage, and I got 12,771, which is basically how much you would need in a year. Okay, how much you would earn at 100% APY. So then to get this amount, I would need to stake 5,088 cake to earn $50 a day. This is based off the $2.49 price. All right, so that's basically how much you would need, 5,088 cake. All right, so I mean that's not too bad. Obviously, you can check these numbers for yourself. If I've made a mistake, let me know. Essentially, that's kind of the number you would need. That's just my little calculation there. If you guys wanted to know how to earn $50 a day with cake, as you can see there, I've already earned 0.001. Okay, so the reason why I've done this whole video is because I just wanted to show that there is an alternative platform apart from Ethereum, which will just basically cost you like 8 cents transaction fees, and it's on the Binance Smart Chain. And this is a pretty viable chain, and it's growing, and there's a lot of projects being built on it because Binance has spent a lot of money, some $10 million, in putting this money into these projects to develop them. So they're basically trying to compete with Ethereum. All right, so it is an option. Again, obviously, do your own research with this stuff, and if you're going to get into the farms, just be very careful because of impermanent loss. If there's a price move either way, up or down, you're going to lose money. That's why I prefer the staking. It's easier. You're only staking the one coin. All you need to worry about is the price fluctuation. But again, you know, with Cake, it is a fairly stable coin. You can get out of it any time to BNB. There's 35 million in liquidity, so you don't have to worry about that. You can sleep safe with that. It's a pretty big coin, and it's fairly safe in regards to it's not just a shit coin pump and dump. Okay, so guys, let me know your thoughts. Check it out. Consider having a play around with Pancakeswap, and if you want some more videos about this, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe as well, because I'll be doing these Litecoin giveaways pretty frequently in February. So hit that subscribe button, the bell notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.